What is communism? Monkey works in a banana farm. Monkey gets leaves as wages for his work. Monkey uses these leaves to buy bananas. Everything looked normal until the monkey named Karl Marx entered. He believed there was something wrong with this system because no matter how hard the monkey worked, they always stayed poor. In the meantime, the boss monkeys who owned the banana farm became richer. He addressed it as an exploitation because it was the worker monkeys who were doing all the hard works, and the boss monkeys got rich just by sitting in their chairs. Marx wanted a change, so he and his friend Friedrich Engels published a book called the Communist Manifesto. In that book, they classified the society into two classes. 1. Bourgeoisie, meaning the owner monkey, and 2. Proletariat, meaning the worker monkey. Then he proposed a political and economical ideology, a classless, moneyless, stateless society, and called it communism. How does communism work? In communist Monkeyland, no monkey owns the banana farm. Instead, the banana farm is owned by the monkey community. All monkeys work in the farm together, and the bananas that they produce are distributed among all monkeys according to their needs. In communist Monkeyland, everyone is a worker, so there are no rich or poor classes. Everything is shared among them equally, so no free market, hence no need of money leaves. And no class exists in the communist Monkeyland, so there is no need for a state because they see state as a tool for one class to suppress another. So, in short, the monkey community owns all the property. The monkeys no longer work for leaves, instead they contribute what they can, and they take only what monkey need, and no need of a centralized power because monkey community manage themselves through direct democracy and voluntary cooperation. But how does Monkeyland become a communist society? Stage 1. The Revolution. At first, the communist monkeys start raising awareness among the working class monkeys about their exploitation under capitalism. Then, they assemble a dedicated, disciplined, and organized party of revolutionary monkeys to lead the movement. The party seizes the existing order and takes control over all banana farms and factories and forms a new government which controls the resources. Stage 2. The transitional stage or socialism. The workers work in the farm and factories, and the produced products are then collected by the government and later distributed among the people according to their needs. The final stage. In the final stage, the jungle becomes classless because no rich or poor monkey exists, moneyless because no free market exists, and stateless because they no longer needed a centralized power to control the resources. But why is it not possible in the real world? Reason number 1. Economic miscalculation. So the jungle no longer had a free market, so it was more difficult for the government to calculate how much banana monkey needed. This resulted in the rise of the demands of bananas. Before, monkey got a banana for 5 leaves. If monkey has leaves, monkey will get banana. But now, there are no leaves. So monkey waits in line for his share for hours, and sometimes he ends up getting no banana because there is no banana left due to miscalculations. This created poverty. Reason number 2. Lack of incentives. If a monkey works 10 hours, he gets 10 bananas. No matter how hard the monkey worked, he still got the same amount of bananas. So the monkey started thinking, why work hard when monkey can get the same amount of banana with less work? This made monkeys more lazy, and it later resulted in less productivity, high demand for bananas, and poverty. And reason number 3. Authoritarianism and corruption. The more monkeys became lazy, the government had no other option but to assign soldiers to control the monkeys. The soldiers made monkeys work hard, and if monkeys refused to work, they would punish the monkeys. The government was a single party, and all the resources were controlled by the communist leaders. So slowly the leaders started to misuse their power. They kept most of the bananas for themselves, and if a monkey questioned them, they used the force to silence them. If the monkeys didn't follow their ideology, they punished them and forced the monkeys to follow. So most of the communist revolution ended up as either a dictatorship or a failed state, and some say they are communist country, but in reality, they are not. So no true communist Monkeyland exists, and it's hard to obtain a true communist Monkeyland with monkeys, because monkeys are greedy. At first, all monkeys agree to share, but when they see the bananas, they go crazy. Because at the end of the day, everything is for bananas.